Good morning, everyone. Avijit, Akash, Alpna, Anjali, Hars, Himanshu, Akash, Mamta, Manjeet, Abid, Muskan, Nilesh, Preeti, Puneet, Sandeep, Sonam, Sunita, Sumitra. Okay, 18 participants. Good morning to all of you. Good morning, everyone. Very good morning. Good morning. Where are you all? Good morning. Good morning, Muskan. Good morning, everyone. Okay, so let's start. In our previous class, we discussed about telephonic conversation, and as all of you told in our previous class that you were willing to participate in the telephonic conversation practice, right? So we are going to practice today telephonic conversation. I will give you some topics. That means some situations I will tell you, and I will choose two participants, and then you have to continue an imaginary telephonic conversation. Okay, you have to imagine like you are the receptionist, or you are the managing director, or you are the customer. Then you have to take part in the conversation. Okay, so you have to continue an imaginary telephonic conversation. That means we are going to practice telephonic conversation. So are you ready, all of you? Are you ready, all of you? Definitely, I will give you some time to think, 2 or 3 minutes. Are you ready, everyone? Say yes energetically. All are silent. Are you ready, everyone? What happened? Okay, Anjali. What about others? Are you ready, everyone? I want to listen positive response that yes, you are ready. God. What happened? If you are not ready, then we will discuss another topic. What do you want? Do you want to practice? I really don't know why all are remaining just silent. Say something, yes or no, or do you want to discuss any other topic, whatever else, just say something. Why are you all silent? Okay, let's continue. Everyone has to participate. Just I am going to choose two participants at first. Okay, Ankita and Sumitra. Ankita, are you there? Ankita and Sumitra? Sumitra? Sumitra, are you there? Those who are not responding, I will remove him from the class. Okay, so Sumitra is there. Ankita? Ankita? Okay. Sumitra and Preeti is also there. Preeti? Preeti from electrical. Preeti, are you there? Okay. Okay. Very good. So Sumitra and Preeti. Sumitra and Preeti, I'm giving you a situation. Like, suppose, okay, suppose Preeti is working in an organization which offers various language training. Okay, maybe foreign language training, like, French, um, German. So, foreign language training that organization offers. And Sumitra is, yes, Sumitra is calling Priti to know about the course, and Sumitra wants to take admission in your organization, Priti. Okay, so Priti is working in an organization which offers language training course, and Sumitra wants to know about the course, like, what are the uh, yes, about the language training course fees, duration, and what kind of training your organization provide. So about detail of language training. Okay, Sumitra wants to know, and that's why Sumitra is calling Preeti. Clear, Preeti and Sumitra? Preeti and Sumitra, is it clear? Okay. Where is Sumitra? Sumitra, is it clear? Okay, very good. So you have 2 minutes to think. After that, you have to continue the telephonic conversation. Preeti, we already discussed, like, when you start, at first identify yourself and your organization. Like, you can say, uh, what's your name? Preeti. Preeti, your son. Eh, Yes, yes, Preeti. Preeti Kumari, right? Oh, okay. So, Preeti, when you start, At first, identify yourself and your organization. Like you can say, this is Preeti Kumari from the name of the organization. Suppose um, Phonics Infotech. Okay, so you can say, this is Preeti Kumari from Phonics Infotech. How can I help you? Okay, in this way. Or you can start with like, thank you calling Phonics Infotech. This is Preeti Kumari. How can I help you? In this way. So when you start, you have to, or some other way you can take, but you have to identify yourself and your organization. And also don't forget to thank them for calling. It's a courtesy. So thank you for calling. You can say then your name and the name of your organization which you belong. Okay. Then Priti and Sumitra, let's start. Priti and Sumitra, let's start. Priti and Sumitra, let's start. What happened, Priti? What happened, Sumitra? Hmm. Okay, then Priti and Sumitra, let's start. Priti, Sumitra, are you there? Priti and Sumitra, so let's start. How to start, I have told you, Priti. Sumitra, hmm, start. Very good. Yeah. Hmm. Sumitra, continue. Here you are calling Priti. Okay, so ask your queries. Sumitra, continue. You are calling Priti here, and you are willing to take admission in their organization regarding language training courses. So you can ask your queries. Priti has started in a very good way. Now you can continue. Both of you, please continue. Just ask your queries. What happened, Sumitra? Oh God. What happened, Sumitra? It's very simple, na? Just ask your queries. I really don't know. Muskan, are you there? Muskan Kumari from CSC. Muskan. Okay. Muskan, please continue the telephonic conversation with Priti. Priti has started. You have listened to Priti and just continue with Priti. Hmm. Okay. Continue. Priti and Muskan. No, here you have to interact. Muskan, here you have to interact with Priti. Okay, suppose you are calling Priti. Huh. Okay, okay, okay. So Priti, here is your here is your customer, imaginary customer, Muskan, and Muskan is asking about some queries. You have to answer those queries. So Muskan and Priti, please continue. Mm, very good. Muskan, ask your queries. Muskan, you are not audible properly. No, Muskan, you are not properly audible. Your voice is, not clear. Maybe because of network issue, but continue. Okay. Yes, Preeti, you are audible, but Muskan is not audible. Where is Muskan? Muskan, where are you? Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. So, Preeti and Muskan, both of you, thank you. Uh, your tele Okay, thank you. So, about your telephonic conversation, I appreciate your effort. Both of you are trying and very good. Preeti, very good. Muskan also very good. And what I want to share that all when you represent your organization, then try to convince the other person. When a customer is calling you to take admission or to ask some queries, always try to convince. So try to focus on some strength of your organization. What are the what are the strength of your organization which differs your organization from others? Okay, like as you have told that your organization has very experienced teachers and all very skilled teachers, and 1 month free courses provided. So these are the things you can also say some other facilities which are available in your organization only. So you have to remember that there are other organizations also, but which differs your organization from others. You have to focus on that because you are representing your organization and your main aim is to convince the customer. Okay, and the way you have to think about how to convince the customer so that the customer take admission in your organization, and both of you are nice. You're trying, and I appreciate your effort. Priti and Muskan, both of you, thank you. Now we will continue our next telephonic conversation. I'm going to give you another situation. Before that, I have to choose two participants. Okay, Anjali is there and Mamta is also there. Mamta, are you there? Mamta? Okay. Mamta is there. Anjali is also there. Right? Anjali, are you there? Where is Anjali? Anjali? Uh, you are not audible, Anjali. Okay. Okay. Now you are audible, Anjali. So, Anjali and Mamta. Suppose Anjali and Mamta, suppose Anjali, you are the manager of a hotel. Okay. And here your customer, Mamta, is not satisfied with the service provided in your hotel. And your customer is complaining about the service provided in your hotel. Now you have to deal with the complaint. It's very important how how to deal with complaints. It's very important because you have to remain calm and composed when a customer is not satisfied. He or she can say everything else like no, I'm not satisfied, and all. But you have to deal very, you have to deal with the complaints remaining very calm, composed, and at the same time very practical. So I want to see how you can deal with complaints. Here, Muskan is not Muskan. Mamta, Mamta. Here, Mamta is your customer who is not satisfied with the service provided in your hotel, and you are the yes, you are the manager of the hotel. Okay. Now Anjali and Mamta, both of you, you have 2 minutes to think. After that, you have to continue. Okay. So, Anjali and Mamta, you can start. Mm. Okay, continue. Continue, Mamta, continue. Mm. Mamta, Anjali is asking you something. Say, continue, continue. Sorry.